going to use this on one of you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this hair dryer. It comes with some really nice attachments. This is great for curly hair. This is great for long straight hair. And yes, we're going to use this on the dogs because they just went outside and got snowed on and now they're wet. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So I love the way this feels. I don't know if the camera really shows this, but this is like it has almost like a silicone feel to it. It feels really, it doesn't feel plasticky. I don't know how to explain it. It's not textured, but it feels soft. I guess that would be the word I'm looking for. You can see there's different settings on here. I'm gonna plug it in a second and show them all to you. But what I do love is that it has the cool setting, which means I can use it to dry off the dogs when they come inside after it's been raining or snowing. I don't know if you can tell, but they're all a little bit damp from being outside. So I'm gonna plug this in and show you just how much air this thing moves. Also, yeah, totally can be used on people. Totally can. It's technically a people hair dryer. So real quick before I even use it on the dogs. So it has the cool setting, a low setting, and a high setting. If you put it on cool, that's about what it's gonna sound like. This is low. What do you think? And then and that does have heat, and then this is high. That also has some heat as well. But then, so like I said, you can set it on cool, but when it's on low or high, you can hit this button right here and it will turn the heat off. Now you do have to hold it to keep that heat turned off in the low or the high setting, but we're gonna use it on the cool setting. You're excited about this, aren't you? Can I dry off your back? Can I maybe just dry off your back? No, only your front? How about you? Okay, let's show them how much hair that moves. And you don't mind it at all, do ya? It's like, whoa, guys, this is so nice. I love it. That's got some power. And like I said, that's on the cool setting, so I don't have to worry about it overheating the dogs or anything like that. What do you think? Is that pretty nice? Say, Mom, that's pretty nice. Did it get you dry in this spot? Oh, it did. Oh, it did. You're still damp back here, but right here, you're definitely dry. Well, that's kind of cool. What do you think of that? That's a pretty cool hair dryer. And as I said, can totally be used on people as well. It's just a hair dryer. I do love how small this is. This is something that would be really easy to travel with. Now, it doesn't fold up or anything, but it is a good size. Definitely has a lot of power. I don't feel like it's really loud. My dogs don't seem to mind the noise, so that's usually a good telltale sign of whether or not it's too loud. If you guys are looking for a great hair dryer, this is one we definitely recommend. This may end up in my RV. It's nice, it's lightweight, it feels really cool to the touch. We approve of this.